What's up, everybody? Welcome to another 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, and today we're going to be learning the thumb fan. So you're going to start in dealer's grip. You're going to come pick up the deck in middle grip. If you didn't watch those, go watch those from the past couple 2-minute tutorial Tuesdays. Then you're going to put your thumb on the bottom of the fruit on our card, or where this would be on other cards, or the top of the fruit on the bottom. And then 2 index middle on the back bottom like that. Bam. Now you're going to take the deck and you're going to put it into this little crevice here of your thumb. Boom, like that. Now you're here, now you're ready. So once you've got the deck there, Nate Lex taught me this little thing, and I don't know who he found it out from, but it is very much helped me. Take your index in your middle and your thumb and kind of just give the deck a little squeeze up top. It kind of like puts some air between the cards and helps with spreadability. This deck was the first deck of Snackers I ever opened, and it's really poopy, but I can still spread it pretty nice. Let me give a good spread, and let me try to get close here. Like, look at all that. Look at all that muck and grime and ugh. So you don't have to have the newest deck. You don't have to have the newest, stock to do this. Even bicycle cards you can do a thumb fan with. So squeeze, and then really when you squeeze, you're going to be pushing down into the side with your thumb. Now slow, you can tell how like gross the deck is, but if you do it in full speed, you should be able to do it like that. I have a new deck here, just to show you guys with the new deck. So again, you squeeze up top here, and then I squeeze first and then go into the position, but it's easier for new people to go into the new position first. So here you squeeze and then press down with your thumb. Let me try to see if I can do one from this angle. Press down with your thumb like that, and then so kind of lift your thumb up as you go around to spread the cards. It's kind of hard to explain. You kind of just have to do it and get a feel for it. Most people, they won't get spreads that are very even at first, but just keep working at it, keep doing it, and you'll eventually get very even fans. I've just been doing it for a long time. Also, if you want to close it like that, if we have time, if not, I'll just add it on anyway, so more than 2 minutes. But so if you want to close it one-handed, you do the fan, and you take your index finger and your middle finger do all the work. See, if I can show you like this. Your index finger will pivot the cards, and your middle finger will pull them in. Sorry, new deck. Here, let's get the old deck back. Old deck, let's do this. So, fan, and then your index finger and middle finger will, and sometimes your ring finger will come up and help, but they'll pivot the cards back. So if you do this, see if I can do this, your index finger pushes and your middle finger pushes it all back like that. So yeah, again, middle finger, index finger, twist. They twist around each other, almost like doing this. They twist around each other to like get that rotation back. So, but yeah, if you enjoyed this, which I hope you did, leave a like and comment below if you are a expert at this move and want to share any tips, tricks, and let us know what you want to see next time. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and we'll see you soon. Also, since this is going to be longer than 3 minutes, also, hello. We're announcing a new deck. What? When? When are we announcing a new deck? We're announcing it on the 9th. We're announcing it on the 9th. So, if you want to be there, we're announcing it on the 9th. Keep your eyes peeled. Goodbye.